Are you looking for the best IMOU Dash camera? In this video, we want to the top 5 best IMOU Dash camera on the market today. We'll consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. IMOU 800 Dash Camera. Setting a new standard in automotive surveillance. The IMOU 800 Dash Camera emerges as a formidable contender in the realm of automotive surveillance, boasting an impressive array of features designed to elevate your driving experience to new heights. At the forefront of its capabilities is the S800's ultra-high-resolution imaging, offering a stunning 4K resolution of 3840 x 2160 pixels with a smooth frame rate of up to 30 fps. This ensures that every frame captured is rich in detail, providing crystal-clear footage that leaves no room for ambiguity. A standout feature of the S800 is its flagship-level UHD lens group, comprising 6 precision-crafted lenses that significantly enhance light input, particularly in low-light conditions. This innovative design ensures optimal recording quality even in challenging environments, such as backlight or low-light scenarios, delivering unparalleled clarity and definition. The 3-inch IPS screen provides a vibrant and immersive viewing experience, allowing users to review captured footage with ease. Coupled with the wide 123 lens, the S800 offers expansive coverage, capturing a broad perspective of the surrounding environment to ensure comprehensive surveillance. Intelligent voice control adds a layer of convenience, enabling users to perform various functions, such as taking pictures, recording, and controlling the screen, through simple voice commands. This feature, albeit supporting only English commands, allows for hands-free operation, enhancing safety and ease of use. In the event of a collision, the S800's G sensor automatically activates, recording, locking, and saving crucial video evidence for further investigation. The 24-hour event-based auto-recording feature ensures continuous surveillance, even when the vehicle is parked, providing added security and peace of mind. In summary, the IMOU 800 Dash Camera sets a new standard in automotive surveillance with its cutting-edge features, unparalleled imaging capabilities, and robust construction. Whether for daily commutes or long road trips, the S800 offers unmatched reliability, convenience, and peace of mind, making it an indispensable companion for drivers everywhere. Number 4. IMOU T200 Dash Camera. Versatile surveillance for every scenario. The IMOU T200 Dash Camera is a versatile and reliable companion for drivers seeking comprehensive surveillance and peace of mind on the road. Packed with advanced features and cutting-edge technology, the T200 ensures that every moment behind the wheel is captured with clarity and precision. At the core of the T200's capabilities lies its ultra-high-resolution imaging, boasting a crisp 1080p resolution and a smooth frame rate of up to 30 fps. Whether it's day or night, the T200 guarantees clear and detailed footage, capturing every detail with precision to ensure no critical information is missed. One of the standout features of the T200 is its ability to cover every corner around the vehicle. With a rotating camera design, users can record not only the road ahead but also the surroundings outside, inside, or even at the back of the car. This versatility ensures comprehensive coverage, capturing everything from beautiful landscapes to unexpected events. Equipped with a wide 124 lens and HDR optics, the T200 provides exceptional visibility day and night. The wide dynamic range, WDR, further enhances image clarity by reducing noise and adjusting exposure balance in challenging lighting conditions, while the f2.0 aperture pulls in more light to brighten up dark scenes. In emergencies, the T200 reacts swiftly with voice control functionality, allowing users to command the camera to immediately record critical events with a simple voice command. Additionally, the built-in G sensor automatically activates upon collision, ensuring that crucial video evidence is promptly recorded, locked, and saved for further investigation. With its easy installation process and robust feature set, the IMOU T200 Dash Camera is the ultimate solution for drivers seeking reliable and versatile surveillance. Whether for daily commutes or long road trips, the T200 provides unparalleled peace of mind and security, ensuring that you're always covered on the road. Number 3. IMOU 400 Dash Camera. Your ultimate road companion. The IMOU 400 dash camera sets a new standard for automotive surveillance with its impressive array of features designed to deliver unparalleled performance and peace of mind on the road. At the heart of the S400 lies its ultra-high-resolution imaging capabilities. With a stunning 4K resolution of 3840 x 2160 pixels and a frame rate of up to 30 fps, every detail on the road is captured with exceptional clarity and precision. Coupled with a 4MP UHD lens and a wide 123 lens, the S400 ensures comprehensive coverage of the surrounding environment, minimizing blind spots and maximizing situational awareness. The 3-inch IPS screen provides a clear and vivid display, offering optimal viewing angles and ensuring easy navigation through menus and playback options. Enhanced by features such as DNR, digital noise reduction, and WDR, wide dynamic range, the S400 delivers consistently high-quality footage in varying lighting conditions, guaranteeing visibility and clarity at all times. In emergencies, the S400 reacts swiftly with voice control functionality, allowing you to command the camera to immediately record critical events with a simple voice command. Additionally, the built-in G sensor automatically activates in the event of a collision, ensuring that important video evidence is promptly recorded, locked, and saved for further investigation. The S400's 24-hour event-based auto-recording feature provides continuous surveillance even when the vehicle is parked, offering round-the-clock protection and monitoring. Furthermore, time-lapse recording capabilities enable the camera to capture frames at lower rates, creating captivating time-lapse videos that showcase the passage of time in a dynamic and engaging manner. With its easy installation process and robust feature set, the IMOU 400 dash camera is the ultimate road companion for drivers seeking unparalleled performance, reliability, and convenience. Whether navigating busy city streets or embarking on cross-country adventures, the S400 ensures that you're always covered, providing peace of mind and security every mile of the way. Number 2. IMOU 400 dash camera. The IMOU 400 dash camera is a high-resolution automotive companion that combines ease of use with advanced features to provide reliable recording and peace of mind on the road. Featuring a streamlined design and easy installation process, the T400 offers hassle-free integration into any vehicle. Its compact size makes it unobtrusive while ensuring it doesn't compromise on performance. One of the standout features of the T400 is its ultra-high resolution of 2560p 1440p, delivering crisp and detailed images for clear recording. The wide field of view ensures comprehensive coverage, capturing important details from multiple angles. The built-in Wi-Fi functionality allows seamless communication with the IMOU Dash Cam app, providing convenient access to live viewing, recording search, and setup options from your mobile device. This wireless connectivity adds flexibility and ease of use to the overall experience. Equipped with a built-in G sensor module, the T400 automatically locks recorded videos upon detecting a crash or strong vibration, preventing them from being overwritten. This ensures that crucial evidence is preserved in the event of an accident or incident. The T400 supports microSD cards up to 128 GB, offering ample storage space for extended recording sessions. Additionally, the built-in microphone and speaker enable audio recording and playback, enhancing the overall surveillance capabilities of the device. Voice control functionality adds another layer of convenience, allowing for hands-free operation and control of the camera while driving. This feature enhances safety by minimizing distractions and ensuring focus remains on the road ahead. In conclusion, the IMOU 400 dash camera is a reliable and feature-rich option for drivers seeking high-resolution recording and ease of use. With its compact design, advanced features, and seamless connectivity, the T400 offers peace of mind and enhanced safety for drivers of all levels. Whether for personal or professional use, the T400 delivers exceptional performance and value. Number 1. IMOU 400 Pro Dash Camera. The IMOU 400 Pro Dash Camera is a remarkable addition to any vehicle, offering a plethora of features designed to enhance safety and provide peace of mind on the road. One of the standout features of the S400 Pro is its impressive 4MP QHD resolution, delivering crystal-clear video with a resolution of 2560 x 1440 pixels. With a frame rate of up to 30 fps, every frame captured ensures no detail goes unnoticed, providing crucial evidence in case of accidents or incidents. The Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS, is another highlight, leveraging big data algorithms for intelligent reminders and early warnings. This system enhances safety and reaction times, ultimately preventing accidents and making driving safer for everyone on the road. Built-in GPS functionality records all driving conditions, allowing for easy video playback on a PC and simultaneous display of driving track and speed. This feature adds an extra layer of accountability and documentation to your journeys. The 3-inch IPS screen provides expansive viewing angles and outstanding color reproduction, ensuring clarity and visibility from various angles. Combined with features like DNR and WDR, which reduce noise and adjust exposure balance in challenging lighting conditions, the S400 Pro consistently delivers high-quality footage. The wide 123 lens covers multiple lanes, capturing more events without distortion. Additionally, voice control functionality allows for fast reaction in emergencies, enabling immediate recording with just a voice command. In summary, the IMOU S400 Pro Dash Camera is a top-tier choice for drivers seeking advanced safety features and reliable performance. Its combination of high-resolution recording, intelligent assistance systems, and user-friendly design make it a standout option in the market. Whether for personal or professional use, the S400 Pro delivers exceptional value and peace of mind on the road.